breakfast. This is his audience. Happy birthday!
But he has papers due. But he has papers.
We are studying. The library is super packed. It's finals week. Finals week. Finals week.
Oh, it's not a Snapchat.
No.
It's our vlog. Sorry, I was wondering why it was so long.
Hello. We're at Burger King. Yay, I haven't had Burger King in like 2 years.
Same.
Acai bowls.
Yay! So excited. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh my god. We're at my casa.
Oh, get off.
We're gonna go study. Yay! Study! Yay! Hello.
Am I on Charlene's vlog?
Yeah.
Are you vlogging?
We're in line for free food because it's the finals. Order food. Food. Yay, yay. These are my interns. Roots. Roots. We're studying for chem. We're studying for chem. I have been with you this whole day.
I know, what the hell.
Oh my goodness. This is the most we've been together.
Bonding.
Bonding. We're studying. This is my note.
Let me know. You just have to make it good?
What's the meaning of life?
Just so stressed out.
On the level. Finish our first final. Now we're time to celebrate.
So we just finished our chem final and now we're gonna celebrate.
Yes.
Right, Michelle? Is that right?
Yes.
Who are you?
I'm
Tell them who you are.
Camille. I'm Michelle. First year. Okay.
But she's taken. Sorry. Okay, bye. They got coffee at this place called Hollow. Hello.
Wait, what is it?
Oh, you're hello.
Dude, it's like an Oreo. We're both hella dark.
Oh. Where are we?
Cafe La Fleur.
Cafe La Fleur. It's a cute little cafe. What did you get? Oh, you have to look at the
Greek omelet sandwich.
Greek omelet sandwich.
Whoa. Should I wait for you? I'll wait for you. Yes.
It looks so cute.
I'm not even gonna take a picture. I'm hella hungry.
What did you get?
I don't really know, but there's cheese and I'm scared.
Oh, she's lactose. They look pretty identical. Chipotle with Chris. Oh, happy birthday! It was his birthday yesterday. Hey, what'd you get, birthday boy?
Steak bowl.
Ooh, steak. Oh, and he's going to the Tori Kelly concert today. So exciting! So exciting! Ooh, look at that! Look at this girl. What? Oh my god.
I'll chill it. Yes.
We're going to downtown for dress shopping for banquet. Woo!
Yes.
We had no luck, and so we're gonna get boba, guys.
Yay! Yay! Yay!
Okay,
yay.
boo, because you didn't get a dress.
I know. But I mean, boba guys. Wait, what are we supposed to do?
I don't know. Oh my
Oh my god. Okay, I'm out.
Free hot dog ice cream, guys. What?
Yes.
Free.
Yes.
Literally come into my apartment, and in my room are like two strangers, and that's my roommate. And I really thought I was gonna be here alone. Hello, guys. These are my roots. This is my root without makeup. This is my first time hanging out with Ryan.
Hey.
We're going to Suther Bath. I like your nose.
Thanks.
Whoa, the
The
sand. This is my first time at the Suther Bath, like actually walking on it. spontaneous right now. My husband is trying to be very spontaneous right now. Oh, yay! He got his hat back.
Now hold on to it.
Go, best friend. That's my best friend. Hello. Jamar is helping me bring my stuff back home. Hello. Hello. We're eating before PCN. It's Pasta's PCN. East Bay. We are at East Bay.
What's good?
Hello. The view of East Bay. Congratulations on your dance concert.
We're eating right
Pita, to Victoria, what's good?
And it's so weird.
What'd you get? What did you get?
Honey barbecue and mac and cheese. That's how long.
Okay, go.
Good job, guys. Good job, guys.
Tell me for a cookie.
I sold him for a cookie, but I'm making it up. I'm making it up. There you go, son. There you go, Anak. Yes, eat that chicken. Yes. Moving in. Hello.
I'm already moved in.
Sonia's moving in. Hi. We're cooking food for our Saturday.
I don't like Daniel.
He's okay. I don't think
We're at Lombard Street with Jens. Hello. This is how it looks like.
2.
That house is so nice.
Big Mark in the motor. Relationships is a no-no. I got my game from Big Mark in the motor. Ain't no feeling, I ain't got time. I got a lot of ain't no feeling, I ain't got time. I got a lot of ain't no feeling, I ain't.
Bruh.
Back up, then I start to slide.
Whoa.
Color as I glide.
Coit Tower, but it's closed. But the views are still nice. Hello, Jens. This view is amazing. We're at Halal Wing Plus.
Ferrucci. Ferrucci.
It used to be called that.
What is this? Chicken shawarma.
And I got chicken wings. We're going to the ice cream bar.
I've been here.
Really?
Yeah, I've been here.
I wish you guys could see this view. The camera doesn't do any justice. We're taking a study break. Yes. Okay. Subway. She got me a snack. Thank you. How long have you been here for?
Like 5 hours?
Oh my, yeah, it has been 5 hours. 6 hours, 5 hours. Oh my god, we're studying, guys. I am bonding with my aunt. Oh, my twin. And we're at King of Thai.
Thank you.